get some other one. I'm experiencing this one, it's really cool. Very stunning. Oh. Different. And on short nails. Oh, this $5 nail art. So much fun. I'm a little kid, so I was, oh, it looks cute. Oh, yeah, one more. This is cool because it's 3D, but it's flat on the bottom. I mean on the back, sorry, say on the bottom. And really cool, I'm gonna show you something. I am going to using a little precision glue on my hands right now. Using this needle to squeeze just a little bit. We're gonna using it again, but I'm gonna using it right now to just place one of my beads in that center. All right. One of the bar. Hey, you still see butterflies even on a short nail. Oh, so cute. Okay, that's it. We'll already cover the nails. Unless you want more, you can absolutely more. I just so really thrilled and excited about this. We're gonna do different colors in different flowers. Look, I just use one nails and it still have a lot in there. All right, let me twist this a little bit. There you go. Looks good. All right, everyone. Ta-da. Great. Here for 60 seconds.